How to delete blank page in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on the blank page you want to delete. After you have done that, simply press Ctrl plus G. After you've pressed on Ctrl plus G, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In enter page number, type in /page. Press on enter and then close. If this does not work, make sure you click on the blank page and simply click on backspace on your keyboard, which will delete the blank page. As you can see, there is no blank page. This is how to delete blank page in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.